4 steps to use AI to save money on groceries and meal plan. Step 1, get the free ChatGPT app. Step 2, check your fridge for soon-to-expire items. Step 3, check your flyers for local sales. If you're new here, I'm Jessie of Simple Frugal Basic. I teach people effective household management tips on social media, including how to price match groceries to save time and optimize points programs and coupon apps. Step 4, go to ChatGPT and have a conversation like this.
Hello, I'd like help to make a dinner meal plan with recipes based on the items I need to use and items on sale this week. Don't write yet, but please confirm you understand. Before I give you my lists, please note I only need 4 dinners and I am sensitive to wheat. Please confirm you understand. Finally, please feel free to include pantry staples typical to a North American household, including spices. Please confirm you understand and I'll give you my lists. Items I must use include mushrooms, bell peppers, radishes, celery, garlic, onions, tomatoes, lettuce, chorizo sausage, plums, blueberries, eggs, sour cream, lemons, basil, butternut squash, mangoes, apples, and potatoes. Items on sale include cucumbers, peanut butter, lettuce, peppers, avocado, corn on the cob, pre-marinated chicken kebabs, and whole chicken.
So, if you're new to meal planning or just need inspiration, here's a great new tool. Let me know in the comments what you think of ChatGPT's recipes.